Saving money is crucial for financial stability and independence. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses and helps in achieving long-term goals like buying a house, funding education, or planning for retirement. Yet, many struggle with it. The stress of living paycheck to paycheck can be overwhelming, and the constant worry about finances can take a toll on one's mental health. In today's consumer-driven world, maintaining a savings habit is essential for long-term financial health. The temptation to spend is everywhere, from online shopping to sales at the mall, making it challenging to save consistently. Despite recognizing the benefits, many live paycheck to paycheck, unable to save. This cycle can be hard to break, especially when unexpected expenses arise, further straining finances. This essay explores why saving is difficult and offers practical solutions. By understanding the root causes of financial struggles, individuals can take steps to improve their financial situation. Lifestyle inflation, lack of budgeting skills, and psychological factors like instant gratification hinder savings. These challenges can make it seem impossible to set aside money for the future. We'll delve into these challenges and provide actionable solutions to help individuals prioritize savings. From creating a realistic budget to seeking professional advice, there are many ways to improve financial habits. From budgeting techniques to addressing psychological barriers, the goal is to empower readers to achieve financial success. Mindfulness and disciplined spending can play a significant role in building a healthy savings habit. By the end, readers will understand the obstacles to saving and the steps to overcome them. With the right strategies and mindset, anyone can achieve financial stability and independence. Lifestyle inflation or lifestyle creep occurs when increased income leads to higher spending. This phenomenon is often subtle, creeping into our lives without us even noticing. It starts with small upgrades, perhaps a daily coffee from a fancy cafe instead of making it at home, or choosing a more expensive brand of clothing. Over time, these small changes add up, leading to significant increases in monthly expenses. This erodes potential savings as people spend more without realizing it. The extra income that could have been saved or invested for future needs gets consumed by these incremental lifestyle upgrades. Before long, the financial cushion that was once there starts to thin out, leaving individuals vulnerable to unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. The allure of a comfortable lifestyle and societal pressures make it hard to resist spending on non-essentials. Advertisements and social media constantly bombard us with images of the ideal life, filled with luxury and convenience. This creates a false sense of necessity, making it difficult to distinguish between wants and needs. As incomes rise, so do expenses, creating a cycle that leaves little room for savings. This cycle can be particularly dangerous because it creates a false sense of financial security. People often believe that higher income will automatically lead to better financial health, but without careful management, the opposite can be true. Breaking free requires a frugal mindset and clear financial goals. It involves making conscious decisions about spending and being aware of the long-term impact of financial choices. Setting clear, achievable financial goals can provide the motivation needed to resist the temptation of lifestyle inflation. Setting a budget that allocates a specific percentage to savings can help. This ensures that a portion of income is consistently directed towards building a financial safety net. Tools like budgeting apps and financial planners can be invaluable in tracking expenses and staying on course. Practicing mindful spending and regularly reviewing financial goals maintain focus on long-term objectives. Regular check-ins can help identify areas where spending can be reduced and savings can be increased. This ongoing process of evaluation and adjustment is key to maintaining financial health. Overcoming lifestyle inflation involves intentional spending and consistently prioritizing saving. By making deliberate choices and staying committed to financial goals, it's possible to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without sacrificing future financial security. Remember, the key is balance, enjoying the present while planning for the future. Budgeting is essential for financial organization, providing a clear picture of where your money is going and how it is being spent. Yet many overlook its importance, often dismissing it as tedious or unnecessary. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of spending and savings, leading to financial disarray. This disorganization can result in missed bill payments, accumulating debt, and a constant state of financial stress. A budget provides a roadmap for financial decision-making, helping you allocate income toward essential expenses, savings, and debt repayment. By setting clear financial goals and tracking your progress, you can make informed decisions that align with your long-term objectives. Without this guidance, overspending on non-essentials leaves little room for savings, making it difficult to build an emergency fund or invest in future opportunities. Creating a budget involves assessing income and expenses, setting realistic goals, and allocating funds accordingly. Tools like budgeting apps and spreadsheets simplify the process and provide valuable insights into spending patterns, helping you stay on track. These tools help identify areas where you can reduce expenses and increase savings, ensuring that your financial plan is both practical and effective. The ultimate goal of budgeting is to create a balanced financial plan that supports your immediate needs while also securing your long-term financial future. By taking control of your finances through budgeting, you can reduce stress, achieve your financial goals, and enjoy greater peace of mind. Unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills can disrupt savings plans. These costs often arise at inconvenient times, depleting any accumulated savings. The unpredictability of unexpected expenses makes planning difficult, leading to financial stress. Establishing an emergency fund can serve as a financial cushion for unforeseen costs. By setting aside a portion of income each month, individuals can better prepare for the unexpected. Regularly reviewing and adjusting financial goals and budgets can accommodate potential unexpected expenses. Being proactive reduces the financial strain of unforeseen costs and maintains savings objectives. This approach enhances financial resilience and fosters control over personal finances. Psychological factors significantly impact saving money, influencing spending behaviors. Instant gratification leads to impulsive spending and reluctance to save. Social media and societal pressures contribute to overspending and FOMO. Overcoming these barriers requires a shift in mindset and focus on long-term goals. Cultivating self-awareness and recognizing spending triggers can help resist temptations. Implementing the 24-hour rule mitigates impulsive buying. Managing social media influence involves mindful content consumption. Addressing psychological barriers fosters healthier financial habits and prioritizes saving. Implementing practical strategies makes saving a priority and integrates it into daily life. Paying yourself first ensures saving is prioritized in the budget. Automating savings reduces the temptation to spend and makes saving consistent. The 50-30-20 rule allocates income to needs, wants, and savings, simplifying budgeting. Delaying purchases and using money-saving apps enhance savings efforts. The 24-hour rule prevents impulse buying and encourages thoughtful spending. Money-saving apps assist in finding discounts, tracking spending, and managing budgets. These strategies help individuals prioritize savings and achieve financial goals. Real-life success stories motivate individuals to improve saving habits. Stories of people overcoming saving challenges inspire confidence in achieving financial success. Sarah saved for her dream home by using the 50-30-20 rule and automating savings. John overcame debt and built an emergency fund by adopting a frugal lifestyle. These stories highlight the power of disciplined saving and practical budgeting strategies. Learning from others' experiences provides valuable insights and motivation. Sharing success stories reinforces the importance of consistent saving and financial discipline. By drawing inspiration from these stories, individuals can pursue their own financial goals. Encouraging financial responsibility and prioritizing saving fosters empowerment. Recognizing saving challenges and implementing practical solutions inspires action. The first step to financial success is committing to the strategies outlined in this essay. Sharing saving challenges and experiences fosters community support. Open discussions about financial challenges and solutions provide new perspectives. Readers are invited to subscribe for more tips and resources on budgeting and saving. Staying informed about personal finance is crucial for long-term goals. By taking action today, individuals can achieve financial aspirations and build a secure future. Visual aids enhance understanding and engagement with saving concepts. Images and graphics clarify challenges and solutions related to saving money. Visuals make complex financial concepts more accessible and relatable. Graphs and images illustrate lifestyle inflation, budgeting chaos, and unexpected expenses. Visual aids highlight practical solutions like automated savings and budgeting apps. These elements reinforce key concepts and inspire action in the financial journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.